Why pizza that sells well globally doesn't sell in China?
Little Shu went to Pizza Hut for the buffet
Promotional price of 178 yuan per person.
because it's a national chain. For fuck. So booked at a local store. But before finishing the meal, dissatisfaction arose. Was told they were out of dishes. Little Shu said no refund. Would still close the store. Looking at the menu in disbelief. The menu had 15 to 16 green lines, meaning half the variety was unavailable. Consumers instantly felt cheated. What kind of buffet are you running without food? People came specifically for your variety of dishes. Now so many are missing. This is clearly false advertising. Especially picking the expensive and good items. Giving you a 50% discount. If you go eat it, you'll also lose big time. The store manager at the time had a tough attitude. Wanting compensation? No way. Refund available, but that's it. Just typical big store bullying customers, shameless. Because other branches often do the same thing. Want to follow the law for refund plus triple compensation. You're dreaming. Most consumers would accept this kind of arrangement from merchants. But Little Shu doesn't put up with that. Found the 1818 golden eye. That store manager immediately issued a refund. We're also curious. A store that mainly sells pizza, how did it crash and burn on a side business? The reason is simple. Pizza became popular in China, then fell out of favor. Foreigners always think, knowledge. Chinese people eat fire to show that. Power is 80 yuan for a pizza. Knowledge costs. I might as well just buy 2 meat sandwiches and get double meat for better value, plus add some cold noodles. Our cuisine emphasizes eating while hot. Once the wokai is gone, the heavenly taste is lost. Look at that old pizza of yours. Cold knowledge is like old 502 glue. The crust is hard, thick, and expensive, like the pie the boss drew. Looks good, but tastes bad. The key point is your high price is one thing, but you're also shortchanging customers. Promised a 12-inch pizza. Actual measurement shows some businesses actually use imperial units. 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. This kind of random trivia. Just trying to eat a meal. And I have to do math problems with you too. Certain brands, you build your own delivery team. The delivery fee costs more than the pizza. Are you selling pizza or running Uber? I suggest offering group delivery orders. 1 car delivers to 10 households. Split the delivery cost. Fermented black bean pizza. Spicy hot pot pizza. Friends on the R&D team. Have you tried your own creations? Have you been to your own restaurant? I suggest next time just make dumpling pizza. Chive and egg filling. Really embracing the when in Rome approach. First, let's market it with gimmicks. Pizza shops are in an awkward position in China. They have fast food positioning, but pizza costs more than a proper meal. Price-wise, they can't compete with proper restaurants. Portion-wise, they can't compete with KFC. The 2 giants. Being a fast food item, always trying to go upscale. Occasionally wanting a piece of the buffet pie too. Trying to grab everything. In the end, you're like a pig in a poke. All for nothing. There's another point. Western-style pies inside and out. Can't spread the filling fast enough due to volume. Chinese main dishes. Staples like steamed buns, dumplings, and meat pies are all about the filling. Even pan-fried buns are sold as half portions. Like hamburgers sold as half portions, they can still make it big in the market. As for pizza, it's for those with a sweet tooth. Entering the food delivery era, pizza has completely fallen out of favor. Paying for other supreme pizza. My wallet really can't afford it. Pizza in the local market is mainly fast food. Cheap filling and satisfying is most reasonable. In the end, it gets abandoned because you're too expensive. An old pizza costs over 40 for a large size. A bigger size